Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition completely for free on your Android or iOS device. You do not need to root or jailbreak your phone. This is for free and it takes only a few minutes. As you can see, I got it on my device right now. It's working, it's free. Let me show you guys. Just open up your Safari or Chrome browser and go to Get Apps getapps.mobi. Getapps.mobi is the website, and here you can choose from a few different apps. We are interested in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Press install and it will start injecting Minecraft Pocket Edition into your device. And now let's follow the instructions. Download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds to unlock Minecraft Pocket Edition. This is for verification purposes, and from what I understand, this is to prevent bots from abusing and crawling the website. So let's do just that. Let's choose two apps from the list. It can be any two apps. I also have a quiz here. All you have to do is to answer some questions. They do not have to be the correct answers. So let's start the quiz right now and answer for at least 30 seconds. Okay, next question. And as you can see guys, this is very simple. It takes only a few minutes and it is the only working method that I could find to get Minecraft Pocket Edition on my device. You can also share this with your friends. Let's go to the other app. So we have a game here. Usually you have to keep the apps open for at least 30 seconds, but I also recommend you use them, interact with them. In this case, I'll play this pop slots game. Okay, let's start it. And we'll play the game for 30 seconds or so. And after this, Minecraft Pocket Edition should instantly start downloading on your device. If it does not download, just maybe install one more app and then it should download. Anyways, this is the tutorial guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Peace out.